Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Haga chipau tarik hadin wa umantri rang ba kajala o konrad sangma de wai perdau ye le kemendap san paus nem ka Amlarem Civil Subdivision haga yalang wa depan man hamadan Amlarem kebenta wa ar yong ka yalang wan to ka CM Connect Block Level Community Interaction Program lang ba gani ka CM Connect umantri rang ba khanau wa depan wan dur nei bentau abus ngaw ye e ko ki pajba kam ju e yumut keliang de yo alat uya kalam markhmat wo o de lang wa ki saheb sarkar Ukonrat daong ulang baga ni ke CM Connect mut wa waro iwa pensngau ki pajba uye uya rablut waro tang wa wan le ki benta wam ye kamte de yo alat uya kalam markhmat ye wan uyo ye che isngau tho ki pajba wa demi chakmat wa kalam de ki wa de pensngau he to wa ipure puthi ki skim penroi ha ki dong kathany ki e ko ha ki benta khapon nei te he to wa ki kam wa kre wa ki kam jo wa ki skim yong semen wa yo yarap ki na ka sarkar wa ki wide le na perdi ki wakalam de iro ki ka sarkar hajrong iyo mentoy ki na ki skim sarkar wa damang kerpang yaki hagi benta wa pher na perdi ki bro pajba ki wadawan chakmat wakalam de le ko wi ki waduna he bor khmat ko de iro yo konrad wa na do wa manu kamu menteri rang ba ki kam ki wa duna he do ipran de yo mentoy ki chibun lang ba ka ICDS wa ki wi de ki skim wadawan rao we hejo ipor de kentu ko wala de to iwe uyarap penku cho kilat irap ceki kam ki duna.
My name is Sonia Potmi. Good afternoon to everyone. Các xin nông con nhà các bạn anh trên hoặc này có state long đã nói mà đào được chính smith men các bạn nào ngan yo kum cái chance bangan penpau yang dipakai baru but especially ngai kumleng terpang ya chief minister belon burom jongi but terpang but ya local MLA jongi ano nga kada siya kata kitin sokme banyak sam nang ba baru diperadis sebel jongi kamtambe ya ka CDS keban ini kan kena chief minister scheme na bencana na duba niyo ya chief minister upenrat ke sama juni te tada na duba ngayo ano ada dari jenis ngokmen batano niyo pan nutoy ya dade ang la pen pau sibun na kebenta kebang liyo kebang ilayo tang lai spa o tang shis lai spa rapulai ngut te ngakarmen kanno idon kiba sanspa arpengut kiba empatyo kene ke chief minister scheme te ngakarmen kan khamtam mga hirai ngaladon laingut kikun te ngamla syu ken ban pendap te ngakarmen ban ngakarpat ya chief minister badon borom jongi bon kris ya ka ne ke chief minister scheme ba Hoi naga she's name niyo kendai hajar sanspa cingka ce ngakwa aban kris yaka lada at least if it possible to kris and either 3,000 or 4,000 in per month because I'm not perfect to use it but not only me all the PWD.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
God bless you.
Thank you. You just select chief ministers here, no? You can mention that I'm here. You can shake hand. Okay, select chief minister. So it's like this. As you all are aware, that from the government side, central government and state government both put together. So we are supporting people with disabilities, that's PWD. We are supporting single mothers, and we are supporting senior citizens. So therefore, the beneficiary list is about 1,20,000 plus, I think, all put together, roughly. I can't remember the exact numbers, but definitely over 1 lakh beneficiaries are there in all of this put together. So my issue and my concern, of course, is that I cannot just do it for PWD alone. If I do, then I have to do it for senior citizens also. I have to do it for single mothers also. And therefore, the financial impact becomes triple in that sense. So therefore, directly increasing that amount right now, I'll have to see the budgetary implications of how much it will require us to do that. But in other ways, and other means in which we can support, I'll be happy to support. I'm urging the PWDs, people with disabilities, to also come up and apply for different schemes from government of Meghalaya, whether it's for Prime, for CM Elevate, or different kind of schemes that we provide. And we would like to see that they're able to start their business, have different kind of livelihood. So I'm really keen to do that. I would urge DC or somebody to please guide her and see if we can do something to help her at a personal level to start some businesses, and maybe other friends who are there with her who could come together and move. But I will examine this matter and I will see what we can do. But as I said, it is a financial implication which has to be done for single mothers, old age pension, as well as for PWDs. If it's increased, it has to be increased for all.